The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Wednesday and the last day for the month of July. We thank God for this month, for all the blessings. It may not have been perfect because not everything has been given to us as we prayed it for, but nonetheless, we know that God has never abandoned us. And we are looking forward for a fresh month of August full of blessings. Our gospel for today will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 13 verses 44 to 46. The kingdom of God is likened to a man who found a treasure in a field. He covered it and went away and sell everything that he has just for him to buy that field. Now the question here is, what are we willing to give up just for us to possess the greatest treasure? But before that, what is your greatest treasure? I hope we will always consider not just the material things as the greatest possession. We are not discounting the fact that material possessions are good, but we know that there are more than the material possessions. There is heaven, there is God, there is spiritual life that is more than the material treasure that we can find in this earth. Yes, they are important, but there are more important than that. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, let us always remember, where the treasure is, there your heart will be. I hope the treasure that we shall consider in our life is none other than God. Everything will fail us. Everything will be taken away from us. Everything may not be able to fulfill the greatest desire, the greatest longing of our heart. But there is surely a God who can make us happy in spite and despite of the many shortcomings in our material life. Entrust everything to the Lord, and surely we may not be the richest person, but we can be the happiest person when there is God in our life. God bless.